The chicks' eyes haven't opened yet. As soon as they sense the presence of their parents, they open their mouths wide and beg for food. They have a tremendous appetite. Keeping them well fed is a full-time job. They mainly feed on insects. But where and how do their parents forage for insects? First, they check if there are any on the ground. Next, they check out a dead tree. They know there are insects hidden underneath the bark. With ceaseless intent, using its beak, this bird tries to pull out an insect. Now it's pecking at a dead branch. Bone-in white-eyes know exactly where to look to find food. Sometimes they even catch smaller insects. Some small flies, midges, hover around a palm tree. They're only a few millimeters long. They may be small, but they're an essential part of the bone-in white-eyes diet. From the ground to the trees, bone-in white-eyes gather food in all areas of the forest. Hahajima is of course home to bone-in white-eyes, but it's now also home to creatures that did not originally live here. Alien species that have been brought to the island are gradually increasing. For example, the gecko. Geckos were first introduced to the island by humans sometime during the last century. This is a green anole. It's native to North America, but bone-in white-eyes also prey on them. These lizards were originally brought as pets. However, their population increased, and because they feed on native insects, they have become detrimental to the island's ecosystem. Meanwhile, bone-in white-eyes, which eat almost anything that will fit into their beaks, thrive due to their flexibility and adaptability. One of the parents is back with more food. The chicks, however, are unresponsive. Perhaps they're full. Their parents bring food to the nest more than 300 times a day. One of them catches a quick and well-deserved snooze.